KOSPI has collapsed -6.37% to $6,820.60, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Tuesday, July 21st, and this is your complete global market briefing. A range-bound session is developing. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ mixed as chip stocks rise in weight for big tech earnings, Yahoo Finance. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is little changed, hovering near $7,443.28. Equity markets are responding to reports that stock market today. Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ rise as Apple notches record high, Yahoo Finance. NASDAQ 100 is broadly flat at $28,604, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Investor sentiment is being shaped by global market. ARA-driven chip rally stumbles as investors question lofty valuations after sharp sell-off, The Economic Times. Dow Jones is trading lower by -0.59%, at $51,839. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ mixed as chip stocks rise in weight for big tech earnings, Yahoo Finance. DAX slipped -0.28% to $24,847. Traders are reacting to news that Wall Street indexes fall, with Iran and earnings season in focus. FTSE 100 dipped -0.71% to $10,525. Investor sentiment is being shaped by gold prices rise, set for positive week after soft jobs data calls rate hike bets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Samsung plunged -4.31% to $244,000 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as AI boom fuels memory chip crunch. HBM3 yield rates for AI training chips are the most critical near-term metric. Any positive update would drive a meaningful earnings upgrade cycle. The memory upcycle is intact, but Samsung's foundry losses are a drag. A recovery in smartphone DRAM pricing would add a second earnings lever. Kotak Mahindra Bank made a dramatic move today, surged +3.57% to 389.95 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Kotak Q1 FY27 presentation, 23% profit growth, asset quality improves, investing.com. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for Kotak Mahindra Bank sits around $413.35. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. Rocket Lab is down -2.78%, trading at $65.74. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Rocket Lab, RKLB, is down 8.6% after Space Force hackers win reshapes defense services narrative, Simpliwalled ST. Government launch contracts with the US DoD provide baseline revenue visibility. The Electron rocket utilization rate is the near-term earnings driver. Any contract win announcement or NASA mission assignment would be a meaningful positive catalyst. Neutron program milestones are the re-rating event the market is waiting for. Bajaj Finance is up +2.54%, trading at 1,064 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Bajaj Finance Q4 profit rises 23% on strong NI, lower provisions, business standard. Consumer durable financing and personal loans are growing, but the market is watching credit quality in a slower growth environment. The EMI card business and co-branded credit card partnerships are the emerging fee income drivers. Watch for any commentary on the Q-on-Q credit cost trend. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that Wall Street indexes fall, with Iran and earnings season in focus. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Investor sentiment is being shaped by gold prices rise, set for positive week after soft jobs data calls rate hike bets. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ mixed as chip stocks rise in weight for big tech earnings. Yahoo Finance. Turning to commodities. Brent crude edged higher to $88.92 per barrel, up 0.93% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that Wall Street ends lower as oil prices rise. Investors await big tech earnings, seeking alpha. WTI crude held steady to $82.42 per barrel, down 0.08% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that Wall Street ends lower as oil prices rise. Investors await big tech earnings, seeking alpha. Natural gas dropped sharply to $2.84, down 2.54% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that Wall Street indexes fall, with Iran and earnings season in focus. Gold held steady to $4,011.80 per troy ounce, down 0.02% on the session. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that why oil prices haven't gone crazy despite 5 months of US-Iran war. Let us give you our near-term view on KOSPI. The technical picture for KOSPI has deteriorated. The $6,411.36 level will be critical to monitor. It represents a key line in the sand for bulls. A break below could trigger further stop-loss selling. Manage your risk carefully. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.14, gaining 0% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, gaining 0% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 162.51, gaining 0% on the day. The move in the dollar reflects reports that European gas prices surge amid fears US-Iran war will cause winter shortages, The Guardian. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.